Good morning, South Houston Intermediate. Today is Friday, March 26th. Um, have a few announcements for today. We want to remind you guys about our Indian pride qualities. If you show any of these qualities in the next few weeks, your teachers are going to be giving out pride praise tickets, and your name will be entered into a drawing where you could win prizes. So if you show any of these practice, respect, initiative, dedication, or effort, your teachers could give you a prize praise ticket, and you will be entered into a drawing for a prize. Don't forget about that. A few more reminders. Dress code, jeans. We can't have holes in our jeans. We're seeing a lot more people trying to wear jeans with holes in them. We cannot wear those. Hoodies, keep your hoodies down. That's a constant issue. Earrings, there are boys, no earrings. Tardies, let's not be late to class, especially in the morning. Your parents are going to have to walk you in and sign you in. And also during the day, we're not going to be late to class. We need to quit making laps around the hallways. Um, One more reminder, at lunch, we have a lot of kids that are leaving food behind on the tables, on the floor. If you drop something, pick it up, because if you don't pick it up, there will be somebody that has to pick it up. All right. So just remember those things. Like I said, today's Friday. Next Friday is a holiday. Have a great day, and we'll see you around school.